Day 2 in Vegas. I woke up at 4:30 because 4:30 is 6:30 at home, and that's what time I'm used to getting up. So it's like, I don't know, 8 or something now. I came to get breakfast. They have a food court upstairs that I just found. So I went to get some Cinnabons. $18 for 2 cinnamon rolls, an apple juice, and a raspberry lemonade. So we're gonna get this day started. We are staying in the Excalibur for the first 2 nights. It's a comp room. It's kind of reminds me of just like a economy hotel. It does have 4 pools down there. See how many people are out? None. A nice view of the mountain range. And then in a couple of days, we are going to be in somewhere. Where are we going? Where are we gonna be? Someplace else. You'll find out in a couple of days. Look, there's a In-N-Out burger. Just the red and yellow in the midst of all the gray. Kind of stands out there. So the room, there's nothing really special. There is no, oh, Jacob's in bed. There's no TV, and there's no TV. There is a TV. There is no microwave. There is no refrigerator. That's how they get you to spend more money. So this is like a castle. They're supposedly tearing this hotel and another one down because of the arena or something that they're gonna put up. I don't really know. Somebody was telling us, oh, T-Mobile Arena right there, I guess. Anyway, they're like, oh, you should be lucky because you stayed there before it got torn down. So here we were. I'll try to get some pictures from the outside. Our breakfast of cinnamon rolls is done. We are going to the a different hotel. We can actually walk there from here through like upstairs by the food court and go into the shark reef something or another, some aquarium something. You'll see when we get there. We're headed there now. Out for us, whatever we were going to, the shark reef thing, because it was booked up. So we're going to that on Thursday. So now we are going for our helicopter ride, whatever this is, plan B, I don't know, helicopter ride, and then Fremont Street. That's where we're going. We have arrived. Do you see what's back there? Helicopters. Tell me, what are you feeling right now? Fear? Fear. Tell me what I'm feeling right now. Fear. I could just take a picture of the picture and pretend that I was there and not go on the helicopter. That'd be okay too. Tell me your experience on the helicopter. What are your thoughts? Recommend it? If somebody paid full price, $140, would you recommend $140 on a day helicopter flight? No. It was like 10 minutes or something. It was supposed to be 15 minutes. Was that 15 minutes? I don't know if it was 15 minutes. The nights might be cooler with the lights, but look for a Groupon or somewhere to get some kind of discount thing. I would not pay full price for it, but it was kind of cool. Thumbs up for the helicopter? are going into the sugar factory to have some din din at the sugar factory. Somewhere, there it is. Oh. The sugar factory ducks.
Anything else for now, guys?
Good right now, thank you.
Good? Enjoy.
Here's our meal. I got the rainbow sliders with the with the $25 duck. Look at all that. How's your food? Yeah. What's in your burger? What's the little sticky thing? What's on there? There is.
Oh, blue cheese, onion, bacon.
Well, here's where we're going, to the stratosphere, there, to the observation deck, high in the sky. I should say that we walked here from the sugar factory, which is 2 miles, and I'm dying. 2, sounds like 2. 1.6 is like 2. I'm dying. We finally made it here. My 5-mile walk. I made it. We walked all that way to the stratosphere, and it was like, oh gosh, probably 10 miles that we walked to get there.
1.6.
Or
1.6 miles.
it was
1.6. Took us what 10 miles should.
10. So after our 10-mile walk there, we go up to the stratosphere. Now, mind you, I had looked online and it said the tickets were $20, right? $20. We go up there. Oh, sure. The tickets for, first of all, the outdoor deck was closed, so it was only the indoor deck. $20. But with all the additional fees and everything, it was going to be $35 a person. I was like, heck with that. So we got a lift and came back to our room. So here's some lights for you. Sorry, it's all you get today. So we kind of keep making plans and they keep changing, but that's okay because we relaxed some today and the helicopter ride was good, and tomorrow we are going to the Grand Canyon, so that will be fun. Is that where we're going? Yeah, Grand Canyon. 7 a.m. we have to meet the shuttle. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day.